Hello and welcome. Here we have a vehicle, a Citroen Jumper. It is the van 60 EB from Mooveo. It costs 77,500 euros, 6 meters long, 269 in height, 205 in width. So it's it's your Fiat Ducato campervan, only it's on a Citroen basis. And this one though has got, rather than a widthwise bed, it's got a lengthwise bed, German layout, and somebody here has ripped out the forward facing bench, or at least part of it, because part of it is still under there. Is this a good idea, doing it like this? I don't think it's a bad idea, actually. I don't have a problem with that. I mean, getting rid of the forward-facing bench does give you a lot of space. Here they've got rid of half the forward-facing bench, and they've got a reasonable table. And not only that, I've got to say this, is that if somebody's sitting in this seat, then there is a communication, they can sort of get in and out. Table will move backwards and forwards down the rail, as you can see there. It is an unusual layout, and for somebody like myself who sits cross-legged, that would be great. But I appreciate that I'm probably the only person in a campervan or motorhome that just sit cross-legged, so it suit me and nobody else. Anyway, kitchen, we've got one of these things, a kitchen extension. This is nothing unusual, same as everybody else. Got the two domestic burners and a tiny sink. Under that we've got some storage, as you'd expect, and on this side there is a fridge. It's a Vitry Frigo fridge, and it's two ways. I mean, say it runs off electricity and not gas. And in here we've got the shower and toilet down there. We've got one of these sinks that comes out as and when it's needed. I'll come into the shower to demonstrate the amount of space that there's in here. Now, we've got the toilet goes in and out. I don't like these things at all because, that's, I think that's, I didn't hear that click in. Yeah, that's clicked in now. So that shows how much space there is when it's clicked in, but often they don't come out again. So I'm not going to bother to that too much. I don't think they're very good in my opinion. This shows how much space there is up here above me. Okay, not so that'll do. I've got spaces here to keep your shampoos and other things, toothpaste, toothbrush, anything else you might take in there. Bed is enormous for a 6-meter vehicle, and these cushions come, mattresses or whatever, come up. There you got a huge bit of storage down there. Pretty good. That is enormous wardrobe. And on the other side, if we open this up as well, we've got this. Why is it like this? Because the toilet has to go somewhere. It goes under there. So that's what that is doing. Completely pointless having something like this. Whilst up here there's storage, and you can put things in there that won't fall onto the bed. Down here you can open this up and you can stick some stuff in there and in there as well. This board here will come out should you want it to. Let's go around now to the back. There is an insect screen in the door, as one would expect, and bike thing on the back from Tula. There is so this is the space under there, and as I mentioned, this here will come up if necessary. I can't lift it up, it's obviously locked, but it will come up. And in here we've got space for 2 gas cylinders, the big ones. And here we have, that's where the pump is. Should you need to access the pump, it does happen occasionally, one needs to access the pump. 6-meter campervan on a Citroen basis. What do I think? Mooveo isn't the first choice I would make. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. This is the largest site on the internet for motorhomes and campervans. If you're interested in that sort of thing, then you might want to subscribe for unbiased reviews. As far as I'm concerned, you get the truth and not what the manufacturers want you to hear. Thanks for watching.